Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Windows 11 and how to change username. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change your username on Windows, once you open your settings and head over to your account section, here you can see there is no dedicated option to change your name. So in order to change your username on Windows 11, what you need to do is change your name on your Microsoft account, which is linked in your laptop or PC. So head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar type in microsoft.com.us, and once you are inside the homepage of the Microsoft, simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, all you gotta do is head over and open up your account, and then once you're inside the Microsoft account, all you gotta do is tap on your info. Then once you tap on your info, here you'll find an option that says right beside the full name. Simply click on it and then enter the username that you want, and then once that's done, all you gotta do is scroll down and then click on save if it's given, or just simply head over and log out of your account or restart the PC and the selected name will be applied. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.